Hi, I'm Jim Vanderscaff and welcome to my shop. This video is about laminating, and there are 4 different ways to obtain shape or curved pieces in wood. One is cut curved shapes directly using a bandsaw, scroll saw, jigsaw, coping saw, or fret saw. 2, shape curved pieces with an adze with wood chisels with a power Fordham carving tool. 3, steam and then bend a piece into the desired shape. Or 4, what this video is about, laminations. Cut several thin pieces of the same dimensions, glue them and clamp them to the desired shape in a pre-cut form and to create a curved piece. One particular laminate is shown in this video. This is the accent chair that I built, and the arm that I'm choosing to laminate is shown here. It's a interesting possibility for a laminate because it has all the elements that we need. You can see the shape of it as I move the chair around, and it's a classic situation for a laminate. The dimensions of the piece are, I'm making something 17 inches long, it's 2.5 inches wide by 13/16, that's what I'm attempting to get. So I'm making it out of 3 pieces of wood that are 1/4 inch thick. So I just wanted to show you that, and we'll show you the rest in the balance of the video. Thanks. Gluing up the arms for the accent chair. I'm just gonna clamp this in, and you can see that we're drawing these 3 pieces together. 3 separate pieces just cut just over a 1/4 inch each, so we get 3/16 of an inch. Just using this form, clamp them in. Key elements to this process are: cut pieces thin enough to bend to the form without breaking. Many pieces can be made from 1/8 inch thick up to 3/8 inch thick depending on the curvature desired. Make up forms that are thick, rigid, and unbending. Many clamps will be used and the forms must not break or bend. Typically it's best to have 2 pieces in the form rather than depend on clamps only on one side. You will have spring back after removing the template from the form, and it's usually minimal. The forms do not have to be as wide as the templated piece. The video shows this. Clamping can alleviate any glue-up problems with such a form. Let the glue dry overnight. I will see how we did with the clamping process. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Happy with this. Turned just the way we wanted it. So we'll sand that down and cut it to shape, and that'll be it. So here's the final result after being cut on the bandsaw and fit in the chair.